Tired of struggling with avocado? Here's a safe and easy way to peel and cut this delicious fruit. Start by laying your avocado on its side and slicing it all the way around. Hold each half in your hands and twist gently until they come apart. Take the half with the stone and slice it in half again, top to bottom. Twist the two pieces. One will come right off the stone. And now you can easily grab and remove the stone from the remaining piece. No knife jabbing needed. Slice the other half in half as well. Now you've got 4 neat avocado quarters. Peel each piece from the thinner top side down. The skin comes right off, nice and clean. You can slice them in half moon shapes, chop them into small pieces, or mash them. And there you have it, perfectly peeled and sliced avocado. No waste, no stress, and no slips.